How to add a table on Canva. Hello everyone, it's me Smile here to guide you through the way. So to know how to do this, watch this video till the end. The very first thing that you must do is install the latest version of Canva and make sure that you have updated it. And now you can simply open Canva on your device. After opening the Canva, just choose what you want to make, poster or what kind of design you want to make. I'll just choose this one right here. So make sure what kind of design you want to make and start making the design now. And if you want to add the table, just go on the elements, which is on the second option, just on the right side of design. And when you tap on the elements, you will see many options of frame, line, arrow, circle, box, and many things. You can see here is table as well. So you can simply tap the table on this option as well. And you can also find the table when you scroll down. Here is the option of table. So let's just try tapping the option of table to see what happens. So now when we tap on the table, many options of table, even the background and the image of table also occurred here. So now just put any kind of table that you want to insert on this poster. So this is what I do. Increase or decrease, or we can even delete the table. So this is how you put a table in Canva mobile app. I hope this video helped you. If you liked our video, then please do thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. For any suggestions or comment, to comment on the comment section. Hope you like the video. See you on the next one.